Hey there! A tiny API mistake might literally be bleeding your company's bottom line dry right now.
Yeah, this sneaky little technical flaw could be silently draining up to 5% of your total revenue.
So, are the financial numbers you're staring at every single day actually telling you the truth?
See, Stripe uses pagination.
It sends data in tiny chunks, using a has more flag for hidden records. But basic workflows? They blindly grab the first 10 or 100 records and totally ignore the rest. Imagine a client, TechCorp. They upgrade to 50 seats, but your naive automation completely misses it. Why? Because TechCorp is customer 401. They're invisible. Your system is totally blind to them.
We call this seat drift. You accidentally keep billing them for that cheaper plan forever. This black box, it's a massive audit risk. Because honestly, hoping for the best isn't a strategy.
Okay, let's fix it. We use a killer production-grade n8n workflow to plug this leak for good. It safely loops through every single API page, checking against your Google Sheet to flag any mismatches. The real magic here? Setting auto_advance to false. It bridges automation right to real financial control. That one little line tells Stripe, hey, hold this invoice, we need a human to look at it. The draft then goes straight to a Notion board, so your team can easily review and approve it. It's night and day, really, swapping dangerous, naive automation for a secure system your finance team will love. To help out, we built a RevOps bundle with everything you need to deploy this auditable fix today. For just a one-time $399 license, you get the exact tools to stop hemorrhaging cash immediately.
So, what do you say? Ready to turn your automation into a true, rock-solid business asset?